Everyone, again welcome. Xmas is not only about decoration, it's about feeling warmth and love. In today's video, we will explore something simple Xmas craft ideas you can make at home using cheap material like twig, jute, pinecone, and old decoration. And along the way, I will share a special Xmas story that reminds us what Xmas truly means. Let's begin this cozy journey together. This beautiful Xmas tree is made using cardboard, jute, rope, and many Xmas tree in this video we have shared. So, I want to tell you a beautiful story. You can use many things in this crafting ideas like jute rope and tiny ornaments. Wrap jute tightly around a cone shape, decorate it with beads, bells, or stars, and place it on your table or shelf. It's cheap, eco-friendly, and looks elegant, perfect for small homes and apartments. In a quiet winter, there lived a young girl named Meera. Every Xmas she watched other homes glow with lights and decorations, while her own house stayed simple and quiet. One evening her grandmother said softly, "Meera, Xmas does not come from stores, it comes from heart." That night Meera decided to create her own Xmas magic. Using dry twigs dried together with jute, you can create a stunning rustic wreath. Add greenery, pine cones, red berries, or a small bow for a festive look. Hang it on your door or wall. This natural wreath welcome warmth and joy onto your home. Meera collected fallen twigs from outside, tied them together, and her first wreath. It was not perfect, but it was made with love. When her grandmother saw it, her eyes filled with tears. "This is the most beautiful decoration I've ever seen," she said. Wrap small twigs. I want to tell you a twig candle holder. Wrap small twigs around a glass jars and secure them with jute. Place a candle inside and decorate with pine cones or ribbon. When the candle glowed, it creates a warm, peaceful light, perfect for Xmas dinner table for cozy evening. On Xmas evening, Meera lit the handmade candle. Its soft glow filled the room, and suddenly the house felt warmer than ever. Neighbors passing by stopped and smiled. Something simple had tuned into something magical. Use twig basket or old frames to create wall decor. Add ribbons, bells, greenery, or a small angel figure. These handmade pieces tell the story, your story, and they make your home feel truly festive. So this Xmas, don't worry about expensive decoration. Pick up twigs, joint, or simple things and create joy with your hands and heart. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe for more handmade Xmas ideas. Happy festival, and may your home filled with love, warmth, love, and peace. You can make Xmas. And that night snow fell gently as Meera and her grandmother sat together. Her grandmother whispered, "Xmas means giving. Even when you have little." Meera realized that Xmas is not about how much you spend, it's about how much love you share. So this Xmas, don't worry about expensive decoration. Pick up twigs, jute, and simple things and create joy with your hands and heart. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe for more handmade Xmas ideas. Happy festival, and may your home be filled with warmth, love, and peace. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. Thank you for your amazing response. Have a very nice and beautiful good day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Good luck to you. May your home fulfilled with craft, creativity, and many more. Have a very nice and very good day. God